Hello everyone, welcome to Breakout Traders. This is Akash. Today I am going to start option series for beginners in English. Okay, in Hindi I have already made one series for beginners on options, and I think I have completed almost 10-11 episodes in that series. And so many people requested that please make these videos on options in English also. So that is why today I am going to start the series in English. So listen, to understand options, you need to know that in India there are four types of derivatives. Okay, first is option, second is future, third is forwards, and fourth is swaps. Okay, forwards and swaps are not available for trading on exchange, so we will not discuss them. But we need to know there are that how many types of derivatives are available in trading in India. Okay, only futures and options are available for trading, and in short form they are known as what? F and O. You came to you know that we trade in F and O, we trade in derivatives. So what is this F and O? This F stands for future and O stands for options. Okay, and in this futures and options is the most commonly, or should I say most widely used derivative. Okay, so we'll begin with the options. Look, there are two types of options. Okay, and the word option literally mean options. Those who don't have very big capital to trade in equity or in cash market, they can trade on their particular stock options. Okay, so there are two types of option. First is call option, second is put option. Like we have two types of directional market. First is what? Bullish market. Second is what? Bearish market. So if you are bullish on any stock or any index, and these stocks or index are known as what? Underlying asset. Okay, so if you are bullish on any underlying asset, let's say if you are bullish on Nifty, then you can buy call option of Nifty. Okay, so the call option is for what? Bullish view. Okay, similarly the put option is for what? Bearish view. Okay, if you are bearish on any stock, then you can buy its put option. Okay, so there are two types of option: call option and put option. Now if we are bullish on any underlying asset, let's say Nifty or any other stock, then you are buying call option. Now similarly, if you are bullish on any stock or index, you can also sell put option, right? Similarly, if you are bearish on any underlying asset, on any stock or any index, then you can sell call option. So let me make this one thing very clear. Options were never meant to be make profit from buying. They were always meant to make profit by selling them. Okay, because they have theta. Theta is one of the option Greeks. We'll come to that chapter in coming days, coming sessions. So there are four types of option Greeks. One of them is theta, and theta depends on time. Okay, so every call option or put option or any of any stock or index has an expiry date. Okay, it usually works for 25 to 28 days and expires on the last Thursday of the month. Okay, so every option contracts of every stock FNO stock and index expires on last Thursday of the month. Okay, so the premium of the option continuously decays from the start of the contract. Okay, so if you want to make profit in options, you can only make, if you want to make consistent profit in options, then selling options is the best option. Okay, people make profit by buying option, but it is very tricky. Okay, so I'll try to explain you some basic fundas of these option buyings and option sellings. Okay, these options have three important things. First is lot size, second is option strike, and third is option premiums. Okay, so what is lot size? If you are trading in any particular stock option, then you are not trading in that stock. Okay, you are not trading in Nifty, you are not trading in TCS, you are trading in that option of that option contract of that particular stock or that index. Okay, so you are buying so you are getting some units of that particular option contract of that particular strike price. Okay, so like in TCS, if the price of TCS, let's say, is 4,000. Okay, and if I'm bullish on TCS, so I'll buy 4,100 call option contract of TCS. Okay, so this option contract of TCS has 300 units, right? So I'll be getting profit according to these 300 units and my option premium, and these 300 units are known as lot size of that particular stock. All the stock, different stocks, FNO stocks have different lot sizes, and Nifty also, and Bank Nifty also different lot sizes. Like Nifty has a lot size of 50 units. Okay, and Bank Nifty has a lot size of what, 25 units. Okay, so three most important things to know: lot size, option premium, and strike prices. Okay, different stocks have different strike prices. Like Nifty, there is a difference of 50-50 in its strike prices. Okay, so all the stocks have, in Bank Nifty we have 100 points difference. So different stocks also have different difference, different in their strike prices. We'll discuss these things in our next chapter. Okay, in detail. Okay, today I'm telling you briefly that there are three most important things to know if you're a beginner in options trading. First is lot size, second is strike price, and third is option premium. Is the price of that particular option contract in which you are on to trade. Okay, in which you want to trade the price of that particular option contract. Okay, I'll show you in my Zerodha account in live in next chapter. Okay, so there are two types of options. First is call option, second is put option, and the options are literally available for you to trade with a very less capital and make huge fortunes. Okay, and if you are bullish on any stock, you can buy call option. If you are bearish, you can buy put option. If you are bullish, you can sell call option, and if you're bullish, you can sell put options also. Okay, so these are the basics of option: strike price, option premium, and lot size. We'll discuss them in detail in next video. I'll show you all of them practically in my Zerodha account. Okay, and then we'll move to option chain and writers data and ITM, OTM, ATM, different types of strike prices and all. Okay, so I'll try to cover those things in my next video. Today is just an introduction video in which we came to know about the basics of option. I hope you like it, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. We are presenting very unique content on our channel, so please subscribe it. And if you want to know anything about any topic in English, you can just comment. I'll post video on English also. Okay, please share this video as much as you can with your friends and family. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.